Alright guys, welcome back to J-Force Gaming. As you guys know, NotebookLM is a Google AI powered research and note-taking tool, and is one of the most useful tool for researching and such. Alright, and if you are using a NotebookLM right now and you want to export it into like PDF file, but because it's exported, there's no way you can edit that. And if you want to convert it into a PowerPoint slides, alright, you guys need to use an external tool. So today I'm going to show you one of the tools that I personally use, and it's really good, alright, to convert NotebookLM exported PDF into an editable PowerPoint slides in an instant, which is really awesome. I can use it for presentation, for assignments, all this and that, alright, in just a few simple minutes. So how am I supposed to do that? Well, it is with the help of this Tenorshare PDNob. So this is the #1 PDF editor, alright, and it can convert NotebookLM PDF to editable, searchable, alright, data sets or any other keywords, or you can just instantly convert into a PowerPoint slide, ready and straight for presentation using OCR. So it's really one of the tools that I personally use, especially as a student, as a content creator. I have a lot of documents to sign. I have a lot of assignments, all this, and you have to submit in PDF files, and you have to do presentation, all this and that. Alright, and this has been a really useful and helpful tool for me whenever I need to convert or turn into any of my NotebookLM PDF into a any PDF files that I can edit, or all this that I can export it out very simply and very straightforward. So right now I'm going to show you guys how you guys can actually do this whole simple process, alright, of converting from a NotebookLM PDF into an editable PowerPoint slides. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you how it's done. Alright, so you guys can see this is one of my notes that I'm currently working on. Alright, it's an AI-driven chest X-ray classification for deep learning, so that I'm training an AI model to recognize COVID or any other medical condition based on chest X-ray. Alright, and I have a few documents over here that I've uploaded it into NotebookLM, and they have given me what I actually need, this and that. Alright, and I have actually generated a few of this workflow and some diagnostic charts right over here, and all this I want to turn it into a PowerPoint slide, but it is really hard to turn all this into an actual PowerPoint slide that I can edit and present it nicely. Alright, so what I have to do is I have already downloaded it. The PDF files is on my desktop right now, so if I go to here, alright, if I go to my downloads, it's already here, and I already downloaded it. As you guys can see, it's over here, but this is in PDF files. You guys can see on the top here, this is a PDF file, so there is no way I can edit it or do anything. So this is where I will edit in using PDF-Not. Alright, so I can just open the PDF file, go to downloads, and open the exact same file over here. So the first thing I'll do is to convert it to OCR, and they have a lot of other features that you guys can use. You guys can edit like certain text, certain images, all these, alright, using all this, and you can add text, edit text, alright. But because this is a scanned PDF, I have to convert it into OCR for me to edit that, as you guys can see from this over here. So because this is a scanned text, everything is not editable for now. So all I do is using PDNob, I just need to perform OCR, alright, and you guys can see what you want to scan it into, and you guys can also change the language you want to. Really awesome. But I'm just keep it everything as it is, alright, and you will start to perform OCR on this PDF file right here. So we'll just give it a while, alright, and let it process it, alright. And after a while, okay, so you guys can see everything is editable right now, and yeah, it's really awesome, really useful and really helpful. So I can change the image around, and I can flip the image if I want to, okay, resize it however I like, alright, from NotebookLM into an actual editable PDF document right over here. Everything can be edited, which is really awesome. And if everything here looks good and I want to turn this PDF alright into a PowerPoint slide, for example, you see everything looks good, alright, all the charts looks okay, all this looks good, but just maybe you remove this part, okay, you don't want like this part to be the PowerPoint slide. Of course, you guys can just remove that, or you can just delete the whole thing away if you want to. Alright, so just make sure you do that for every pages if you want to remove any watermark from it. So yeah, you can see this looks like an actual PowerPoint slide. So at this step, what I have to do is to just go to the convert area, and I can convert into PDF to another Word document, Excel, PowerPoint, or any other thing I convert to. So I'm going to just click on do PowerPoint, and after that, alright, just click on yes. Alright, I just going to leave it in the desktop. Alright, and since now I save it, so now let me just convert it again because I haven't saved it. Okay, so in this conversion part, alright, you can just choose how many pages. So there's 14 total pages, and I want to put it into PowerPoint slide. I can choose a custom so I just put in desktop itself. Okay, so I'll just leave it so you can choose where you want to export it to and just click on convert. Alright, and the process usually takes very fast as well, so it's really, really awesome. And we'll just wait a while to let it to convert into a PowerPoint slide, and it is done. You can see how fast it is, and once it's over here, you guys can see I'm opening up in Microsoft PowerPoint right over here. So let me just show you right here. So now it is a PowerPoint slide that you guys can use it to present. So I can just go ahead and present it, and you guys can see I can present it in PowerPoint slides right over here. So everything is in PowerPoint, and I can also edit the thing in PowerPoint itself. So I can, like, maybe this is organs, this is probably like lungs. Alright, I can do that in PowerPoint as well. So you have converted successfully from a NotebookLM PDF file into OCR via PDNob, and after that exported it out to PowerPoint slide, and you guys can do any adjustment you want. Everything can be adjusted, alright, using this one. You guys can just shift the image around, alright, into an actual PowerPoint slide that you guys can actually edit and do on the same spot itself. Look how cool this whole thing is. Look at that. Okay, so yeah, this is how easy it is just to convert, alright, from a NotebookLM, all your studies or your data or your research into a editable PowerPoint slide that you guys can present it to your teachers, to your bosses, for meetings or anything you want to do with it. You guys can do that very easily. You can see the whole workflow literally just took me less than 2 minutes to get everything into a PDF, from a PDF into a PowerPoint, which is so how cool this thing is. So yeah, you guys can obviously do that on your own pace, whichever you want. Or you guys can edit inside here also can. Whatever you want to do with this is really, really good. And the PDNob is really, really a useful tool, especially if you want to do anything that is PDF related. This is the perfect tool for you to do any of this thing right here. So yeah, if this is exactly what you're looking for and you want to get it right away, or you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this Tenorshare PDNob now, and just start optimizing your workflow, making everything much more seamless, and just makes your own work fast, finish faster, and you guys can have more time for yourself. So this is a really, really useful tool, especially for students, for people who are working adults, or basically anyone you want to convert to anything, edit anything that's PDF related. This is the best tool that I can definitely recommend. I've been using this for a long time, and it's has no issue with that. I really love it how they have so many features that not even those Adobe Acrobat even have. So this is one of the best tools that definitely recommend, and it's super reliable, super easy to use, and super beginner friendly as well. So once again, if you guys want to check out Tenorshare PDNob, I'll link them the first link in the video description down below for you guys to go ahead and check it out and get this for yourself right now and start converting your NotebookLM PDF slides into an actual PowerPoint slide that you guys can edit and present right away. So yeah, that's all for you guys. I find this video really interesting and really helpful. Do let me know in the comment section as well. And if you do like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, this is 𝖩 Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out. I don't wanna cry.